Hey, this video works a lot like the last one. We're going to be rotating points and shapes, but instead of ending up with the final shape, these problems are going to want to know the coordinates, the x comma y of the final shape. So here's our first one. You need to rotate h 270 degrees counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is this direction. Now, if he ends up over here, that's a 90. Here would be a 180. This would be a 270. So he's going to end up over here. And I'm going to use my paper again because I like to. And I think it's a good way to show what's going on. So right there, there's my origin, and there's the point H. I'm going to rotate it 90. I'm going to rotate it 180. And then I'm going to rotate it 270. And there it ends up. It's right there. So there's H prime. And let's look at the actual point of it. Oh, well, that's what I have to find. I have to find the actual point. And this point is at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So it's just like the last video. You're rotating it, but at the end, you need to find the point. And this one was at -4, 3. This one is at 3, 4. Once again, we're seeing that connection somehow. But we're not making a rule about it, because a rule is just, you'd forget a rule. Instead, think about how to rotate it using a piece of paper or using your mind. Here's another one. We're going to rotate this point S clockwise 90 degrees. So it's going to end up over here in this coordinate, or over in this quadrant. Let's see if I have a piece of paper that'll work. Maybe I should get a new piece of paper. Okay, so here is the origin, and there's my point. Was it S? I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So and that puts it right about here. There it is. So here's S prime. Now, we've seen that over and over again, there's a connection between the coordinates of these two things. So I'm going to at least look at it and see if it seems like, remember their opposites are negatives or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is at 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this guy better contain 6s and 5s. And if he doesn't, I know I've messed this up. Does this guy have 6s and 5s? Well, this is a 5, -5, 6. Okay, I feel good about that rotation. Right? He started at -5, 6. He ended up at 6, 5. And we keep seeing over and over again that that kind of connection happens. So if one of these was an 8, I know I'd messed it up. If one of these was a 7, something's weird. But this was looking good. I like that one. That's it. Don't run with scissors.